Hello guys, in this video we are going to learn what is ClickFunnels and how ClickFunnels works. So let's dive into the video. So ClickFunnels is a software which helps us to create sales funnels. Now what is sales funnel? Sales funnel looks similar to website, but this in a sales funnel there is a whole optimized process where in a website there are a lot of options, right? When you go to a website you will get confused, while when you go to a sales funnel there is a single option at a time, so you never get confused in a sales funnel what action to take, right? So let me show you exactly what I'm talking about, right? So let's say we go to this website. This is Apple's website, right? As we can see, there are a lot of options. We can see Apple iPhone, like iPhone 11, SE, iPad Pro, watches and so many different stuff. What it means is when someone goes to an Apple website and he have no clue what to do, he will get confused which product to buy, and in the end he will end up getting confused and buying nothing, right? Why I am saying this? Because there is a quote in the market which says confused mind never take a action. While in a sales funnel we use psychology, human psychology, right? We don't give them a lot of options. Let me show you. This is one of the page of a sales funnel. Here we can see there is only single option at a time. They are giving something for free. All we need to do is we need to give them email address and get this thing. There is no other option. So if someone who is totally confused, who don't know what to do, goes to this page, he is not going to get confused, right? And this is how ClickFunnels, this is how sales funnel work, right? Now let me tell you what is ClickFunnels, right? So ClickFunnels is a software which helps us create sales pages and the whole process. Now let me show you what sales funnel process look like, right? So as you can see in the screen, this is how sales funnel look like. This is the whole sales funnel process. First you get their email, you collect their email. Why we are collecting emails? Because once we collect the email, 100 people are coming to our website and only one of them is buying, and 99% of the traffic is going back. So we are not getting anything from all those 99 people, right? But when we use a sales funnel, even if those 99 people are not buying from us, they are still giving us their email address, which we can use in the future to sell them a different product. Maybe tomorrow, maybe next month, maybe next year. But we have their email list, which we are going to have for the rest of our life, and we can use that, right? In the next page, when we collect the emails, we are going to sell, we are going to show them our product which we want to sell. Only single product at a time, right? So the person is not confused, and once he buy that product, we are going to do an upsell. Assume we were selling $100 product, right? So in the upsell, we are going to offer them a $500 product. Not everyone is going to buy that $500 product, but 30% of the people are going to take that product. And then once it is done, we are going to do the down sale. Now in the down sale, we are going to offer something lower ticket, like a $50 product, right? Not everyone is going to buy that, but a few percent of the audience is going to buy that, and that is why we make a lot more money as compared to a website. Okay, so let me show you a sales funnel. Two of the sales funnel I can show you. Okay, so I have both of them in my screen. So once we give them, like let's assume this is your sales funnel, right? I come to your website, this is your page. I give you the email, and then you are going to sell me something, right? So they are giving the marketing secret black book, okay, and then they are trying to sell me a product, and when I click join the challenge, it is going to cost me around $100, right? So this is exactly how things work. And once I buy this product, in the next page they are going to offer me something for the higher ticket, like a $500 product, $300 product, or something like that. Okay, let me show you another example of a sales funnel. Okay, so this is a sales funnel. Okay, they are trying to sell me something for just $1 in this page. Okay, when I click to buy this $1 product, okay, and I give them all my details and everything, here I can see they are offering me something for $15, right? So not all the people are going to take this upsell, but still a lot, like a 30 to 40% of the people are going to take this $15 product, and the company is going to make their profit from this. And once we give them, like, we will buy this, in the next page they are going to offer us something higher, right? You see how it's working. So ClickFunnels is a software which helps us create this whole sales process. It is very easy to create this whole sales process using ClickFunnels. You don't have to be technical, you don't need to have those coding knowledge or something. You can, like, even a 13-year-old child can create the whole sales process, whole sales funnel using ClickFunnels. So let me show you how. Okay, this is a dashboard of a ClickFunnels. Okay, you can go and add new funnel, and when you will click on create new funnel, they will ask you whether you want to create a page to collect leads, or you want to create a page to sell your product, or third, even like if you want to host a webinar or something. So let's say we want to create, like, capture leads, right? So I will give this name leads. Now there are pre-made funnels which are already working. You choose one theme. Okay, like let's assume we choose this theme. Now this theme is added to my account. All I need to do is I need to edit this page. I need to change some text. Okay, how we can do that? We just have to click on edit, and when you click on the edit, it will take you to this page. Now it is very easy to change the text. Now, like, if I want to change the date, I just need to change it, right? It is very easy to change things. We can change this this date or something, right? And we can change the color of the button very easily, like this. Whatever you want to do in your page, it is very easy to do that. There are a lot of videos you will find how to do all these things in the ClickFunnels software as well. Okay, and once you are done editing your page, you can click on save, and it's all done, right? Your page is all done. You can go and preview this page, and your page is ready, right? You can add your domain, you can, like, add email responder, everything in ClickFunnels, and it is very easy. So this is how exactly what a ClickFunnels is. ClickFunnels is a software which will help you to create sales pages very easily, and anyone can create that using ClickFunnels. So if you are interested in ClickFunnels, I will leave my affiliate link below, where you can go and take a 14-day free trial for ClickFunnels. And if you take a 14-day free trial from my link, I am going to give you 15 proven sales funnel to you for free, including funnels for MLM business, affiliate business, restaurants, affiliate marketing, and bunch of others. So just join a 14-day free trial from the link in the description, and all the funnels will be sent to you to your email address. So this is a channel I have created, and if you think you find value from this video, please leave a comment. Or if you don't find value or you don't like my video, please leave a comment so I can improve my videos. Thank you so much to listen till now. Thank you so much, and have a nice day.